Hello there, this is Andrew from Cherco, and I would like to show you how to use our campaigns module. Campaigns are for you to build personalized outreach messages to your relevant contact. Feel free to create a new campaign, let's say based on our previous example, a garage and window repair in the West, and you can add new contacts to these campaigns yourself one by one by adding one row and specify all of the contact details here whenever you find them, or you can let's do this one, or you can import the contacts from a CSV file if you already have them found somewhere else, whether you find them on Apollo, Snow.io, or any other ZoomInfo or any other tool. Or you can use a campaign connected with our AI search, and if you already have a list built before, you can load contacts from this list to your campaign automatically. For this, you will need to have an active subscription, and each found company with contact detail email will cost you 1 credit. Let's hit start loading companies. You can continue your work, and in the background, our tool will start looking for companies for contacts for these companies and load them one by one to your campaign. Whenever we won't find any relevant contact detail, we will just add an empty row so that you can specify them yourself whenever you find them, like here. Each contact, you can open the details of each contact. Each of these fields is editable. You can edit them right here or here. It will save automatically, and you can check all of the contact details right here. We have lots of useful features to help you build more context and make your outreach more personal. For example, if the contact has a LinkedIn URL, you can click load LinkedIn data, which will cost you, by the way, 1 credit, and we'll go to LinkedIn and fetch all of the information about this company, about this user from LinkedIn, including their recent posts, so that you can include this in your outreach context. And the information from this about this company here. If our initial search didn't find the email, or you can upload a new contact, you can also click find email to find an email for this user, and which also will cost you 1 credit. And then once you build this context, by the way, all of the notes that you put about the company in the AI search will also be present here, so that you can also leverage this context. Whenever you're ready, you can start generating a personalized message with AI. For that, you will need to specify a prompt or what you would like to pitch. The more detailed and specific in your prompt, the better. We have here an example prompt that you can check out and see how to use it. Feel free to copy it and then customize to your needs. In this particular prompt, I will pitch the idea, of course, of acquiring or investing in this particular company to this user. Feel free to also use knowledge base or dynamic context about that you can reuse across your in your campaigns, across all of your campaigns. For example, I have a standard company intro that I would like to add so that I can reference it in my outreach. Let's save it. It will be company intro, and right here I can see how I can use it as a company intro in my prompt. All of this dynamic, you can reference in the prompt all of the columns from the table from here. So let's test how AI works and see what message it will generate for this particular Kenny user based on all of the context and details that we shared. Okay, cool. Hey Ken, I admire your work at Tashman. Got my attention because your commitment to quality and exceptional service, as highlighted in a recent post about Lightning options and window installation. It's indeed a recent post of this user, so very specific, detailed, personalized, and including information about private equity funds, where do we invest, and why it might be relevant for us to connect and start the conversation. So you can do all of these actions, by the way, one by one, like loading LinkedIn data, email, etc., and writing a message, or you can select all of them and do them in bulk, like load LinkedIn information in bulk, find emails in bulk, or run AI search in bulk. And whenever you have all of this information, feel free to export it and then upload to your outreach service, any that you use, like Apollo, Snow,